Okay, this is British Airways flight 334 from London Heathrow to Paris Orly, and we are taking off from the northern runway today, and we have wind blowing towards the east, and therefore we are taking off towards the west, and the captain has just applied full takeoff thrust. Landing gears up. That's the Queen Mary Reservoir that we can see in the background there.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Harriet Treacher-Morley and I'm your customer service manager on board this flight today to Orly, Paris. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and our one World Frequent flyers. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever your seat is. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. We're about to start our onboard service. If you're seated in a Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we have a great selection of food and drinks available for you to buy. You can find details of today's Marks and Spencer's onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by either using a credit or debit card, and for our executive club members, we also accept Avios. We do not accept cash as the payment. We'll shortly be coming through the cabin to take your order for any hot food. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know by visiting the galley or using the call button. We hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.